Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing my introduction to the panningpunk project pan. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. Before we get into that though, if you are new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video from me. Doing a lot of panning content in 2022, and I also like to throw in some indie makeup content in there as well, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, then just stay tuned. Alright you guys, so this is a new Project Pan introduction, and this is my first Fantastic Ladies collab that I am participating in. I'm participating in 2 at the beginning of the year, and I'm really excited. This one was created by Allie, or Wonder in Alleyland. I will link her channel down below, as well as her Instagram, as well as a link to the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group, the participation list. Everything you need to know about the project will be linked and referenced down below. But this project is all about connecting punk music with prompts that you will then pick products to, and I'm so excited. When I saw this in the Fantastic Ladies group, I was like, I have to do it. I love music. Pre-pandemic, I went to concerts all of the time, and a lot of the bands that are on this prompt list are bands I listened to so much in middle school and high school, and so I knew I had to participate because this was like a project made for me. So a few more details about the project before we get into what I'm rolling in. This runs from January 1st to December 31st. Now, since there are a lot of projects I'm doing that are technically start on January 1st, not all the updates are going to go on January 1st. I'm just going to aim to have these go up in the first week. These are going to be monthly updates, and you can pick 4 to 6 products and prompts to start. This will be rolling, but after meeting your goal for a prompt, you may select another prompt to complete from the list, restart the same prompt with another product, or choose your own punk band / artist and create your own prompt, essentially. It doesn't specify that this project is random, but I'm going to be randomly generating my prompts, and just for this project and anything else I'm starting in the month of January, I did not randomly generate the prompts on camera. I just wanted to sit down and kind of pick everything that I want to be working on. So I randomized the prompts off camera and picked the products off camera, but going forward in the updates, I will randomly generate the prompt on camera and just pick as I'm filling in my update. But for the intros, I just wanted to sit down, look at everything I'm panning, and pick from there. So I did pick 5 products, and that just will give me wiggle room for if I have a month where I don't have anything to roll out, I can roll that 6th product in and have something to roll in still. So with that all being said, I did randomly generate 5 prompts, and let's go through what I'll be rolling in. So the first prompt I got was The Clash, Should I Say or Should I Go? A product you aren't sure if you want to declutter or not. And I chose my Bare Minerals lip gloss in the shade Daredevil. We are starting at that blue line, so it's pretty full. This is a lip gloss my mom got as a free gift with purchase, and I was like, I'm never gonna wear this, so she gave it to me. If you watched my planning to pan video, you know this is one of the glosses I picked to attempt to finish in 2022, and I just don't know if I want to keep it. It's not like a lip gloss I would reach for on an everyday basis. And I don't know that it's my favorite lip formula, so I don't know if I want to waste my time panning it. I don't know. So I am setting a usage goal of 30 uses, and I think that will tell me how I feel about this product. And then also, depending on where I am in the tube and how I feel with just this project and my other projects, I will determine at 30 uses if I want to keep it in and finish it. So we'll just see. We'll see how I feel by the time I reach 30 uses. Next, I got the prompt The Misfits Halloween, a horror movie / scary movie inspired product, or a Halloween inspired product. So I picked this Ritual Defy Rear Light Luminizer in the shade Ghost Light, so pretty spooky. So this is just kind of like a pearlescent, opalescent kind of highlighter. It's a cream. It's kind of got a pinky, purpley iridescence to it. It just looks really beautiful on the cheeks, and it's really nice, but I haven't reached for it for a while, so since it fit the theme, I thought it would be good to roll this in, and let me pull up my spreadsheet. Yes, I would like to hit pan or 30 uses, so I don't think I'll hit pan, but I figured if I hit pan, we'll call that a goal, and if not, just 30 uses. I'm excited to work on this. I think it's really pretty, and it's just not something I've reached for in a while, so I'm excited to work on it. Next, I got the Pumped Good Charlotte I Don't Want to Be in Love, a product you can use for multiple things or in multiple ways. And I decided to roll in my Auric Glow Lust. I have the shade Morganite 2.0. And I can use this in a variety of ways. I can use it under foundation, mixed in with foundation. I can use it as a highlight. So this is in my, I have a category in my makeup inventory called my like glowy multi-use products, and this is in that category. So I thought it was perfect. I don't want to finish this and it would be in here for more than a year if I wanted to finish it. So I just, again, another 30 usage goal. I love this product, and I can definitely knock 30 uses out in probably 30 days, if I'm being honest. So I'm excited to work on this. Next, I randomly generated the prompt, My Chemical Romance, Welcome to the Black Parade. And for that, that is a black eyeshadow, which I have never panned. You guys, if you've been here for a while, know I don't really do like super dark eye looks, although I've been getting more into it recently. So for the black eyeshadow, I decided I wanted to hit pan in. I decided to roll in the one from the Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette, since I know these pans are quite shallow. And as you can see, I have a ton of pan in this palette. I would like to hit pan on all of the shades in 2022, so I've got a good head start. But the shade Hex is the black shadow, and if you can see in the other pans, these pans are very, very shallow. So hitting pan, I don't think in this black shadow will be, I think it'll be hard, but I don't think it'll be that hard compared to other palettes I own that have black shadows, like a ColourPop one. That would never happen. So I decided to roll in that shade and try to hit pan on it, and it was going to happen eventually because I want to hit pan in all of those shadows. So we're getting a head start on it in 2022. And then we got the prompt from Simple Plan, the song Perfect, a product that gives you a sense of security or comfort. I loved Simple Plan growing up. My mom likes Simple Plan, so I've been listening to Simple Plan since I was in like elementary school. I remember, I have this one memory on Christmas Eve sitting in the CVS parking lot while someone was like, I think my mom or my dad was going in to get like, someone was sick, and like listening to the Simple Plan Christmas song. And the CVS, it was like my favorite Christmas song, and I remember sitting in the parking lot and just like playing it on repeat while like my mom or dad were into CVS. Anyway, so this prompt in particular is for a product that gives you a sense of security or comfort. I took it in the sense that this product gives me a sense of security that my makeup will stay on all day, and that is my NYX Matte Finish Spray. And if you guys know, this was in my project pan for 2021, and I only have about a quarter of the bottle left. So I am going to count this as a finish goal rather than a usage goal, just because there's not a ton left. And I'm excited to work on it. I'm wearing it today. Obviously, you can't tell because it's a setting spray, but I do like it. I don't find it to be overly mattifying. I just think it kind of locks in my makeup for the day. And since I don't have a lot left, I'm excited to just finish it and get it out of my collection. I bought this at the start of the pandemic to put on when I wore a mask. And truthfully, I still wear a mask everywhere I go, but I don't go anywhere where, like, I'm just coming home, so I don't care if my makeup rubs off a bit. And so that is everything I have for you today. I'm so excited about this project. I love the theme of it. I love music. Like I said at the beginning, there is an option for you to create your own punk band / artist and do create your own prompt for songs, which I've already started thinking about. So if I finish all 20 of the prompts, I will roll those in probably. I'm really excited about it. I'm so excited for this project. Thank you, Ellie, for creating this wonderful project. I'm so excited. So let me know if you are doing this project down below, and I'll check out your intro or Instagram post or Facebook post, whatever it may be, if I haven't already. And yeah, that's all I have for you today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you like down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!